1. 1973 Chevrolet K10 4x4, 5,500. Location, Gonzaga, Washington. This 1973 Chevrolet K10 Custom Deluxe is a rugged four-wheel drive truck with the desirable 350 small block Chevy engine paired to a 4-speed manual transmission. Featuring original burnt orange paint and factory running lights, this unmolested example is a rare find for enthusiasts looking for a truck that retains its factory authenticity. With just 59,000 miles on the odometer, this truck offers solid potential for restoration or as a classic off-road adventurer. And App 2, 1978 Chevrolet Scottsdale C10, 30,200. Location, Glenwood Springs, Colorado, a one-owner 1978 Chevrolet Scottsdale C10. This truck comes with a clean title and a 350 V8 engine featuring dual exhaust. It has dual gas tanks and retains 4x4 functionality. The tires are in excellent condition with 90% tread remaining, making it a reliable choice for a project truck or a daily driver. At 125,000 miles, it's a solid platform for anyone seeking a dependable classic with minimal modifications. Three, 1976 Ford F-250 Highboy, 7,500. Location, Billings, Montana. This 1976 Ford F-250 Highboy is a powerhouse, equipped with a recently rebuilt 460 engine featuring a 4-barrel dual-pumper carburetor. The manual transmission and dual exhaust emphasize its robust character. The truck's window glass and tires are in good shape, though the overall condition is fair. It's a desirable classic for enthusiasts of vintage Ford pickups with high performance potential. Four, 1971 Ford F-250, 2,000. Location, Bothell, Washington. This 1971 Ford F-250 project truck offers a solid foundation with a clean title and an original engine. It was driven reliably before the transmission was removed, and the seller has included a C6 core transmission for replacement. Notable features include a sliding rear window, dual fuel tanks, and solid cab mounts. While it requires some work, this truck is an affordable entry into the classic Ford scene. 5. 1973 Chevrolet C10, $5,900. Location, Windsor, Colorado. The first year of the square body era, this 1973 Chevrolet C10 comes with a 350 engine and 4-speed manual transmission. Its straight body and decent interior make it a strong candidate for restoration. Recent brake replacements ensure it's roadworthy, and the clean title adds peace of mind. A classic pickup with great potential for customization or preservation. 6 1970 Chevrolet 1500 long bed, $17,500. Location, Great Falls, Montana. This 1970 Chevrolet 1500 long bed features a rust-free body and a reliable automatic transmission. It runs and drives well with the added convenience of power steering. Its fair condition suggests it's a solid driver that could be improved with cosmetic updates or mechanical tweaks. Ideal for those seeking a functional vintage truck. 7 1971 Chevrolet half-ton pickup, 2200. Location, Deer Park, Washington. A 1971 Chevrolet half-ton truck with minimal rust. This vehicle includes a 350 engine and 4-speed manual transmission. With 5 lug wheels and power steering, it's mechanically sound but needs engine work. The low asking price makes this truck a project-friendly option for restoration enthusiasts. 8 1973 Ford F-250 Highboy, $6,500. Location, Navasota, Texas. This 1973 Ford F-250 Highboy is an all-original classic, complete with its chrome yellow factory paint. While it's a non-running project, it retains its 4x4 drivetrain and has been treated with protective undercoating. The clean title and mostly rust-free body make it a great candidate for a full restoration. 9 1975 Chevrolet C10 Stepside, $30,500. Location, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. A short bed stepside model, this 1975 Chevrolet C10 features a 350 small block engine and TH350 automatic transmission. It needs work, including a brake overhaul, carburetor rebuild, and new bedwood. Despite its imperfections, the truck has potential as a restoration project, especially for enthusiasts of vintage Chevrolet stepsides. 1968 Ford F-100 Ranger. Location, Pueblo, Colorado. This 1968 Ford F-100 Ranger is a running project truck with a complete and original appearance. It's drivable as is, though it will benefit from additional attention to fully realize its potential. A classic piece of American history, this truck is perfect for someone seeking a solid project. 11. Lexus 1964 Ford Econoline pickup, 9,000. Location, Dallas, Texas. This 1964 Ford Econoline pickup is a unique and desirable model with significant curb appeal. Powered by a straight-six engine and converted to an automatic transmission, this vehicle is a solid driver with minor rust. Rarely seen on the road, it's ideal for collectors looking for something quirky and special.
And that's tough.
1963 Chevrolet C10 Survivor, 9,005. Location, Lake Stevens, Washington. This 1963 Chevrolet C10 Survivor is in excellent condition with a rust-free body and undercarriage. Featuring a straight-six engine and a rebuilt 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, it's a road-ready classic that has been well-maintained. Recent upgrades include a new fuel pump, tires, and brakes. This truck offers timeless appeal for enthusiasts. 13. 1969 GMC 3/4 ton 2 $7,000. Location, Lakewood, Washington. This 1969 GMC 3/4 ton pickup boasts a 327 V8 engine and a 3-speed automatic transmission. With only 80,000 miles, it's a clean and accident-free example of a classic farm truck. Featuring a long 8-foot bed and recent maintenance records, this vehicle is a great choice for those seeking a dependable and capable vintage workhorse.